Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to manage progress bars in Bootstrap 4. The first thing is going to be linking the Bootstrap 4 to our HTML. After that, we are going to create a div that will work like in a container. Div, then you will put a class progress, okay? Inside the div, you create another div with the class progress bar, okay? Now you can see it's already working, but we need to add another thing, a style, an inline Css, okay? So you just put width, yes, of, as an example, 70%, okay? Then you can measure the amount of progress that your progress bar has. After that, you can also add a height, okay? So you just, in the container, you just increase the height with the HTML style inline, okay? Then you put, as an example, 18 pixel, it grows a little bit bigger. Then you put another one, don't forget the semicolons, save it, and now you can see that it's already larger. And just to check if it's already working, yes, you can put 2 and it's working, it's all good. You can make it even larger, as an example 50, okay? If you only change the container, only the white thing, the green thing will change. If you change the progress bar, only the color will change. Then the levels. The levels, you may want to put something like the percentage that you are already on, okay? Save it, and here we go. To make it bigger, we'll need to get like a span or something like that. Color colored bars. As an example, you saw my last video, not my last video, but some videos ago, the colors and the tables and the links and everything else, everything can be changed by a code, okay? As an example, success info warning, the only thing is the word before the if and the success info warning, and that's it. And here we are going to use the background from the color video in Bootstrap 4. So you just put the progress bar as you do normally, by default the blue, the primary, okay? Then you just add, after the progress bar in the class, you add the background. Success, info, warning, danger, right, only one, of course, one of them, you choose one of them, but it will change its color. Now the strip bar. Just add a progress hyphen bar hyphen stripped after the progress bar and it will become stripped. Even better, after you add the progress bar stripped, you can even add a progress bar animated, and it will become animated, okay? Now lastly, but not least important, we have multiple progress bars. As an example, you have the same container, but you have 3 different progress bars. First one is the free space that have as the background success. The width doesn't matter much, but they can have different width, they can have different texts and different colors. For this tutorial, it's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you soon.